Hey, good evening, everyone. Thank you for coming to this. This is the second of the series, which is the new application from Google called the Career Dreamer. So I think some of you probably attended before, but I know some of you missed, so that's why I do a repeat, so I can showcase this experimental app. It's amazing. Then I think in the future there will not be HR agency for the normal jobs. Okay, everything will be done by AI, and you can help yourself, and the job matching will be even better. Not only in the one location, maybe in different locations. Maybe you want to work in Japan. There's a big shortage of something that you didn't know because there's no information there. So Google can sort of, tell you, okay, South Africa, there's a high-paying CEO that maybe you cannot find a job here, and then you can work there. So the distribution of job will be very different. And hopefully, I mean, all of you can try it today. I'll be able to show you the app. So I'm going to allow me to play something first. Okay. So, okay, let's start.
Join the AI hustle generation community and stay ahead in the race of AI.
You know, figuring out your next career move can feel like trying to solve a giant puzzle, but you've lost the picture on the box. You've got all these different pieces, your skills, your past jobs, your interests, but how do they all fit together into a real career? Well, today we're going to take a look at a new AI tool from Google that's designed to help you see that final picture. Yeah, that's the big one, isn't it? It's the question that probably keeps a lot of us up at night. Maybe you're in a job right now and it's fine, but you can't help but wonder, okay, what's the next step? What else could I even do? The path forward is almost never a straight line. And you know what? There's a really good reason it feels so uncertain. Get this. According to the World Economic Forum, the average person is going to hold about 12 different jobs in their lifetime. 12. That whole idea of picking one career and sticking with it forever.
So this is a very interesting statistics. Average person have 12 jobs in their life. I think for mine it's almost like 12 job as well.
That's pretty much over. And that's really the heart of the problem, right? When your resume looks more like a zigzag than a straight line, it can be really tough to tell a good story. How do you connect the dots between, say, working in retail and then moving into tech, or going from the military to a marketing job? Finding that common thread is the hardest part. Okay, so let's dive into this. Google's answer, or at least their potential answer, is this experimental tool called Career Dreamer. It's coming out of Google Labs, and basically it uses AI to help you connect all those dots and maybe even find career paths you'd never ever have thought of on your own. And what's really cool is that Google didn't just build this in a bubble. They actually worked with groups of people who know exactly how challenging a nonlinear career path can be. We're talking students just starting out, veterans and military spouses who move all the time, moms getting back into the workforce. This tool was really designed with their unique struggles in mind. So, how does this thing actually work? Let's pop the hood and see how Career Dreamer helps you build out your professional story. Trust me, it's a whole lot easier than it sounds. The whole process starts out super simple. You just type in a past job title, let's say executive assistant. Then the tool gives you a list of common tasks, and you just click the ones you did, like managing calendars. And boom, the AI instantly translates that into a real world skill, like project support. You just keep doing that, layering in your education and even your hobbies to get a full picture of, well, you. And this is where things get really, really clever. The tool doesn't just ask about your hobbies, it asks why you like them. So, say you enjoy cooking. It'll ask you, what about it do you like? Is it the process of transforming ingredients or maybe mastering a difficult recipe? It then takes that passion and turns it into professional language, like a drive for mastering efficient processes. It's literally finding the hidden job skills in the things you love to do. So, the first big reward you get for all this is your career identity statement. It's basically a professionally written paragraph that pulls everything together, your skills, your experience, your interests into one powerful little summary. You can literally use this thing as your elevator pitch in an interview or to seriously upgrade your LinkedIn bio. Okay, so you've built your profile, you've told it your story, and now it's time for the main event. You hit that Explore Paths button, and this is where the AI really starts to work its magic, searching for jobs that are a great fit for you. And it doesn't just give you one list of jobs, it actually gives you two different kinds. First, you've got database results. These are grounded in reality, pulled from big sources like the US Bureau of Labor Statistics. But then you have the AI generated results. And this is where Google's AI gets creative, suggesting new and emerging jobs that might not even have a standard title yet, like an AI solution architect. And for any job you click on, you get this incredibly detailed breakdown. It shows you the average salary, gives you a peek into a day in the life, and even points out skills you might need to work on. But honestly, the two most important sections are your sweet spot and upskilling resources. And this sweet spot section, this is where the tool absolutely shines. It doesn't just say, hey, you could be a good fit for this job. It tells you exactly why. It connects the dots for you, explaining how your MBA and your tech sales background create this perfect combination. I mean, that's not just a job suggestion. That's a huge confidence booster and practically a script for your next interview. So, after all that, what's the real verdict? Is Career Dreamer actually worth your time? Remember, it's still an experimental tool, so let's see what the people who've tried it have to say. Well, the general feeling is pretty positive. On the plus side, it's an amazing tool for just brainstorming and thinking about your career in a structured way. It's fantastic at finding those hidden skills we talked about, and the interface is super clean and easy to use. Now, on the downside, some of the results can be a little generic. And since it's still experimental, the quality of what you get out really depends on the quality of what you put in. So the more detail you give it, the better. So I think the best way to look at it is this. Career Dreamer is a phenomenal starting point. Think of it as your own personal AI career coach that helps you brainstorm, explore, and really understand your own value. It's not a magic button that's going to find and apply to jobs for you, but it just might give you the clarity and the confidence you need to go out and do it yourself. Which, of course, leaves us with one last really interesting question to chew on. As these AI tools get smarter, they're not just matching keywords on a resume anymore. They're trying to understand our passions and our potential. So maybe the question isn't just about whether an AI can find us a job, but whether one day it could help us discover a dream job we never even had.
I'm so excited after attending Coach BK Han's AI Masterclass.
Stay ahead of the curve, join AI Hustle Generation on School, and learn AI for free from Coach BK Han. Join the AI Hustle Generation community and stay ahead in the race of AI.
Okay, how does everybody feel after watching this Google Career Dreamer? Have anyone of you tried it yet? Testing it now. Okay. So allow me to share screen and show you guys how it works. All right. So hang on. Okay, I think in the I mean even currently I think a lot of people still look for a job in the traditional way, including myself. Or rather, I mean, I'm a little bit more fortunate. I didn't really look for a job and job came to me. But in the earlier days, job finding probably was a little bit more complex. Depends who you know. Depends whether you apply enough job. So now with internet, maybe it's a little bit easier. But jobs are becoming more complex, especially after AI. So this is something that I think Google has been preparing for it. So there's a shift, okay, a move. So I'm surprised because from the data, average person have 12 different jobs in their lifetime, which is, I think, I didn't really count, but I think there about it, I probably have 12, including companies that I set up, including companies that I work with in different countries. So add up together, maybe about 12, maybe slightly a bit more. What about all of you? Can you share roughly how many jobs have you got so far? Can you just reply in the chat, in the Zoom chat? Let's see. Okay, we got Gavin more than 12. Okay. Wei Yan 10. The rest? Wow. So some people are very fortunate. One job, I got a friend. Okay, one job. The company was being bought over. The company changed name. He's still in the same company. That's very fortunate. I know someone who is same job, same location, even though the company has been bought over. What about the rest? Okay, so changing company, changing jobs, really not an easy task. Okay, actually, for my case, also I have to move to different countries, different region. Is something very complex. Okay, of course, the first time is a little bit scary. After that, I got used to it. I know what I want. So, I think Google knew about this for a long time, and they saw what AI is doing. That means a lot of job will be gone. Okay, meaning we need to find new type of job that suits us. That maybe with our current skill and a hobby and interest, maybe we can find some jobs. Hopefully, yeah. Okay, that's why I believe this is going to be a big change. Now, it's just 3 processes at the moment. Okay, input your story, input your information. Very easy. I think some of you have tried. And then generate a path. And then later they give you a suggestion. Then if you decided to take one, then they tell you what to do, how to update your resume. And then you work with the other AI called Gemini. Okay, at the moment, this is the flow. Then in America, they basically suggest job for you, which the vacancy is available. It means you can apply the job straight away. That's in America. And I believe you roll out in different countries, including us. Okay. So that means you have to be honest with yourself, telling them who you are, what do you do, so that they can be more accurate in providing you. I mean, it's the same if you go to a HR company, you have to be very honest so that they can find you a job match. So this is quite revolutionary because they not only match you, but they also give you suggestion what maybe you didn't think of, because your hobby could be the one that give you a job. Okay, your interest could be the one that give you a job, or the combination of those. Okay, so experience, education, and skill. So all these add together. So the AI understand what the employer needs, for example. Then they have to go out and craft and look for people who fits all this. So many a time there's misfits. That means, company A actually wanted somebody who are like this guy called A, but end up he got B because they saw the wrong thing. He was giving the wrong information. End up it's a mismatch. So probably AI can close this gap. Then, so the database have many information about you and understand not only, I think it works both ways. Companies who are looking for employee, maybe they are not specific in their job scope as well. Maybe they don't know what they want and exactly who they need. So end up, there's a lot of misfit. This is wasting of manpower, especially, overseas posting. There are cases where they send to that country, they come back in 2 weeks. Or, they end up very unhappy because the working environment wasn't exactly what they want. Okay, so I won't go into the real detail. Later we'll have a try. Okay, your information about yourself, what you do in everyday life, what area you hope to go into, even you want to upskill. Maybe you are preparing to learn something new. You are learning now. You're taking a certificate. That information is relevant enough for the AI to help you find a job that suits. Maybe 1 more year you're going to graduate. You're going to get a degree how to be a vet, for example. Actually you're not a vet, but so that is very relevant, which I think in today's technology, in today's processes, doesn't allow the HR company to look at it. You're not a graduate, you are graduating, or you're going to graduate, they don't care. Okay, so the filtering process of the AI is amazing. Okay, so they also focus on transferable skill. That means certain skill that you have, for example, quite sad for those who work in the army for 40 years, 45 years. After they come out, they become blank. They don't know what to do. End up, in today's, maybe some of them end up Grab drivers, some of them end up insurance agency or real estate agents, which maybe they could have done better things. Okay. So then after they give you the suggestion, and if they cannot find a job, then you work with Gemini, another AI that's helped you to go into more detail in maybe crafting your resume for job interviews for other position that maybe cannot be found here. Okay. So translate your past, discover the hidden pathway, and then build yourself really confident, because sometimes you're not sure when you apply this job whether this job is suitable for you, whether you can do the job. But I think by the AI helping you to sort of readjust and open up certain hidden talent that you have, gives you that confidence. And then, of course, presenting yourself for the interview and preparing for interview is really important, and you may just get that job. Okay. So it's a new app under Google's lab called Career Dreamer. I'm going to show you guys now. Okay, let's start. I'm going to show you one time, then all of you, same thing. You're going to experience it on your own in small groups, and then have a go on it. Okay, so I'm going to start share a current or previous role. Okay, now I'm a AI educator. Okay, just gonna AI hustle. So they start to generate insights just with these two information. Okay, so then they say, what kind of things I perform? Okay, what are tasks I perform as an AI educator? Develop engaging curriculum for AI topics. Yeah, correct. Deliver, so I can select. Okay, then deliver clear and concise instruction for AI concept application. Yeah. Facilitate interactive learning experience. Yes. Assess student understanding and provide constructive feedback of AI projects. Yes. Stay current with, this is what I need to do. Design and implement effective teaching method. This is what I do. Mentor and guide. See, I didn't do anything. They sort of understand, or better understand what I need to do, or what I'm supposed to do, or what I have been doing. Okay. Then I go next. So sometimes it's a self-discovery using rather than a person, but in AI. So select 3 task skill, okay, that apply to you. Okay. So same thing, just selection. They say at least 3. So I'm going to see curriculum development, technical instructions, audience analysis I need to do, presentation delivery, knowledge synthesis, yes, problem solving, feedback integration, project guidance, or more. Okay. If you want more, I think maybe it's AI tools. Maybe I don't know whether they have. Okay. And then conduct consulting. Okay. So we just built a series of it and then go next. So well done. You have added. So from there, as an educator, as all the experience, and I can add experience. Okay. So to start with previous experience. Okay, I'm a real estate developer. Work. Okay. Work in shot. Yeah, let's go. Industry real estate. So again, they input more information for me. Select the task. Okay. Identify projects, financing, yes. Oversee design, navigate law zone, yes. So you see, frankly, I might have forgotten the details of what I do. They sort of highlighted for me, and it allowed me to choose and remind me. Yeah, okay, look at the task now. Same thing, select at least 7. So financial, yes. Modeling, project management, yes. Market analysis, negotiation, risk, strategic planning, stakeholder, yes. Deal structuring, yes. Okay. I assume those are those. I'm not going to add more things at the moment. Okay. So education level, I am a bachelor degree. The next, okay, subject is civil engineering. Same thing, they're asking me for my skill. Okay, so I got all those things for me now. Okay, interests. Okay, I get photography. Look through. These are the simplest two. Select two statements that apply to you. I value explorations of new environment and culture. Yes. I enjoy capturing and preserving moments in life. Yes. I want to develop keen eyes and detail. Oh, they only allow me two, so I just choose two. So you can see every time I add something, the AI go and build more things and start thinking a little bit more. Let me see anything I want to miss out. I think I'm more or less done. Okay, let's explore here. Path. Okay, then they go to work. Okay, so you can see the AI will go and find all the jobs or job scope that's available. Can you see? Amazing, right? Okay, I think the color-coded one, this is the job that's available. Okay, so I can always go back to do such my original project role. Okay, and this is something that I never thought of. I can be a curriculum and instructional design developer. Whoa, sounds pro. Let's look at this job. This job allowed me to have 77,000 a year. Okay, if I want to find a job near me. So for the case we are in Singapore, so I don't think there's anything that fits. Okay, so they will bounce to Google and then look for that. Okay. Well, actually, there is a freelance curriculum development in Upwork. Yeah, interesting. Okay, let's go back to explore path again. Um, Anything interesting? Let's look around. Yeah, vocational education instructor. Yeah, sounds interesting. I'll look at it in detail. Okay. Oh, salary is lower than the other one. Okay. Maybe I want to look for something that's maybe better and higher salary. I try construction manager, which I used to do. I see, 117,000. Much better, right? Let's see if we can find an even better. Oh, AI ethics and oh, how about this? Okay, this one there is no real job yet because this is, you see the color coded is different. It's 2B. Okay. Okay. So that is all about it. So assuming you really want this to be done, so all you need to do is you just go down to look at the sweet spot, which is why this thing you can have consideration, problem solving, and what are the skill set you need to have. And then they give you some suggestion for other things which you can explore. Okay. So very amazing. Okay, I'm going to pause here. Anyone have any question before we break up into small group and let you have a try? Please make sure your computer is available. You can do share screen, work as a team. Then you can find out, you can learn faster. Yeah. Any questions so far? If no, we will do a breakout room. Okay. And then you can try for yourself. I would go into 3 breakout rooms. Okay, let's go. Just spend 5 minutes on it, not too long. Okay, go. Okay, who's sharing the screen? Can he?
Hello. Yeah, I see anybody talking to me first or not first.
Then why you share lah?
Share later nobody and then I'm
Just
doing
share, just
myself.
share. Okay,
Okay.
go. Wow, looks good. Okay, who's sharing?
Hui Yan.
Oh, okay. So think about it. You're not just doing for yourself. Imagine you're helping someone. This can be also very useful tools. Okay, because you may not know their career, you may not know their potential, and you actually can do this like a consultant. You don't need to show them the tools. You can charge them like, okay, $500. Okay, let me come back to you guys. Who's sharing? Who's sharing screen? Oh, not free. Oh my God. You should tell me you're not free to share. Okay. Okay. Is that Angela, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Wow, social dance. Oh my God. You're gonna be a competition instructor, is it?
No lah. Is it ask me add interest or I like so
Anyway, I
keep-
saw you dance before, so okay, you're quite professional.
And then after here, what do I do? Here then what do I do?
After finish already, explore path.
This one.
Yeah, that's where the magic comes. Okay, then you just explore the path, find the one that give you the highest salary.
Oh, yeah, how to find? Maybe this one. This one looks like will be. One
Wow,
zero.
107,000
Is this US or what? Huh?
US
Is it
average
monthly or annual?
annual.
Oh, okay.
It's a lot already.
I don't know. What else? I don't know videographer.
Auditor, try auditor, see how much you get.
Yeah, last time I do auditor. Now
Just see the salary different nah.
Where is it? Where is it? Where's auditor?
On the middle right, near the middle, yeah.
Okay. 91.
Or
Just
lower
now
than.
one more leh. Just now
Yeah.
one more. Better.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, get you guys back, huh?
Hmm.
Okay, welcome back. So according to the flow of this class, all of you break up into a small group, come back, and then you need to share, and then share your comment, and then anyone have any questions that I can answer. Come, first group. Angela?
Yeah.
Anyway, this is recorded, so y'all can go back and preview. Okay.
Okay.
So how do you feel, Angela, when you
Good lah. You see this one quite high salary.
Yeah,
Okay.
you should go for this, right? Yeah,
Sounds cool.
sounds cool. So what you need, then you click into it, then they'll tell you what's the resume, what are the path that you need to prepare. Try something else.
See where?
Yeah,
Below.
scroll down. Yeah, click. Yeah. See,
Oh.
wow, you see your ability to analyze trending topics, which is very true. Okay, user behavior into inform content strategy. Wow, you expert,
Sounds
especially now you got AI. Then you got community building somehow. Oh my God, you got creative storytelling somehow. Oh, you got video editing all yeah, can already lah.
Okay lah. Thank you lah.
Thank you. Go and apply job lah.
Okay lah.
Next. Hui Yan, is it?
Mm-hmm. Where do I click? I just click any job that I like, is it?
Okay, just find one that is your let's say try the financial analyst on the top. On the top, I'll just try it. Just click one time and see how much. It's 113. No? Good salary. Okay. Go back to explore path again. Just remember this job first. At the middle, below. Okay. Look for, say, what is that? Oh, no. Look for the blue one, the one with the blue. Okay, let's try. Okay, this one. Yeah, you're flashing too fast. We can't read. Comply. This one good. 146,000. Very high salary. There's a down arrow. You can click it. Yep. Okay. So your robust background and financial analysis, including analyzing financial data. Wow, this job easy for you, man. Now with AI, this one sure can do. Client coaching, data analysis, just throw to AI. Risk management, throw to AI. Community building, throw to AI. Strategic planning, throw to AI. You get 100 over 1,000. Yeah. Scroll down. Scroll down some more. So here's what the day in the life of a compliance manager. So they will tell you roughly what you're going to be doing on a daily basis. See, it is what suits you. Okay, and then scroll down. Area of growth. Okay. Yeah, sounds good. Thank you. Let's have the last group. Is it Candy?
Yeah.
Okay, share please. Thank you. So this is still experimental, it's still evolving. I believe more things will come and it will be very fast once they start implementing. Okay, so what do you want to do?
Yes.
Okay, how much
Very
is the salary? Oh,
yeah.
this one not available yet lah. This one, this is going to be. Okay,
Going to
to
be.
be.
Brands, how about this?
No, this going to be. Look
Going
at
to
the
be.
blue color ring.
Blue color
Blue
one.
dot. You see the blue dot right there? Can you see right there on the right hand side?
On my.
Click the writer on the right hand side.
Oh, yeah.
Click
Okay.
it. Okay, you're getting 88,000. Okay, as a writer. Okay, go back to explore path again.
Go back to
Explore path.
okay.
Okay, try producer.
Who is producer? Oh shit. This was okay.
Click outside. Just click anywhere outside. Just click
Yeah.
anywhere.
I'm clicking anywhere,
Don't
but
click on top lah. Click outside.
oh,
Yeah. Yes. Okay, try producer.
producer.
Okay, so 107,000. That's very good. Okay.
Wow,
Good. Thank you.
but typical, I must have a degree, you know.
Yeah. Then if you don't have,
yeah.
then it may not be suitable lah. Then you may need to get a degree first. Okay, thank you. Thank you for
Okay.
sharing.
Thank you.
Okay, let's wrap up. Can we have it's just today very simple. You can try out the tools on your own. Can you stop sharing? Thank you.
How to stop sharing? I always forget how.
There's a button on the top, on the screen on the top where they say stop share. It will appear.
It will appear, but it doesn't appear. Shit.
Candy.
Yeah. I know. But I can't go back to my old one, eh.
You look at
But
this is
okay.
recorded, Candy. Can you find the button?
No. Return to meeting. Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
So
Let's have a
sorry.
takeaway from everyone. Thank you. Who wants to go first?
Since I'm here, I go first.
Go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, this thing is very good in such a manner like we can know how. That means what are the various direction that we can go to, and what is the option position that we can look for. Yeah.
Thank
We
you.
can go into. Yeah.
Thank you. Gerald, I don't suggest go to the secondary school student yet. Okay, still very new. Currently is for the US market. Okay. You'll be open up to other area very soon. But this is just to give us an idea. I mean, of course, you want to apply a job in US, that would be good. But I think it's more suitable for people who are mid-career change. That means maybe they want to decide. Yeah, they want to do what else they want to do. They have some experience already. If you do not have experience, then it's just understanding what potential you can do. Okay, so rather than looking for a job, but say in a secondary school, they are not even looking for a job yet. Okay, fresh graduate, maybe. Yeah, that's my suggestion. Gerald, you want to share a little bit?
Nothing much. I probably will share that with my mentee on Tuesday. Let me see
Yeah.
how it goes.
Thank you. Thank you. Angela?
I think this is a interesting tool. Is good. Yeah, because it will open up our mind, Yeah, based on our experience, our skill set and all this. What are the jobs available to us? Quite fun.
Yeah. So this tool is not just for you alone. I think I explained in one of the group earlier. You can use it as a tool to help you to become a consultant to guide people. You can actually charge people to, if you need, a consultancy, so you don't need to show them this tool. You can just click a few clicks, they send you the information, you come up with something that can advise them. Okay. Yeah, Keith. Keith, thank you for coming.
Yeah, interesting. Need to look further.
Okay, thank you. Hui Yan.
Yeah, you just mentioned it can serve as like if I want to be a coach for career coach, can use this to open up people's mind easily rather than sometimes we just focus on the limit or rather on the skill set that we have and we just keep looking at the wrong place.
Yeah, thank you. This who's Jay? Sorry, is it Mr. Tan?
Yes.
Yeah, you keep changing name. Wow, I got to use my AI to figure out who you are.
You figure out yourself.
Mr. Tan, I don't think you need to look for a job anymore, right?
No, this tool is not for me, probably for my children. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What's your take? How do you feel if this tool was available 20 years ago?
Wow. Amazing. Yeah.
You'll be retiring in a different job, right?
Yes. I think so.
Thank you.
Yeah.
May, are you there? Okay, then we go to SC is who's SC? Sorry.
Swee Chai here, yeah.
Oh, Swee Chai, yeah. Okay.
No, I tried this out before. So yeah, I'm still very much US based. So yeah, wait until it's open up globally.
Yeah, because we are early in the game, so we got a chance to taste it, and once they are out, we are the first adopter. Yes, it's free. Yeah. Who is that? By the way, Zoom. Who's that? It's also May, is it? Yeah. You use so many. I got lost also. Okay. Gavin, last.
Yeah, VK, it's so interesting. Last week I was talking to someone and then he happened to tell me that he's in HR and he's doing something exactly what you're showing tonight. And I'm going to have a meeting with him on Tuesday. It'll be very interesting for me to find out more.
Okay.
Yeah, he has a business in Singapore using AI. I say using AI for what? I say using AI, if you send in your resume, he will recommend you a job. So very, very interesting. I'll see what he does.
Yeah.
But very similar to what we discussed tonight. Very well. Thank
So
you.
for him, it's more on the ground in Singapore. It'll be slightly different. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me share a little bit more what I see the potential, even though it's not available in Singapore yet. Now there are hundreds of thousands of Chinese nationals coming to Singapore to study. Okay, some of them are serious about studying. Some of them are serious about staying in Singapore or looking for a job after they graduate. This will be one of the tools that they don't have access to yet. Okay, and they don't even know. So you can be a consultant for all this. You just need to craft it. You may need to maybe make use of these tools to build something that you can, go mass. Maybe you can conduct a session as a consultant. Like most of the university now, they have this career coach, which is highly paid. Okay, and they're using all kinds of their personal framework. It's not not in line with the global demands. This is different. This is global demand. So this is very powerful. Don't just think that it's for US. They use US as a test bed, but the job are global. Okay.
But BK, if just now they say, for example, you are a financial controller, and when you click on it, do they really refer you to some real job or
Yes,
just
yes,
a
yes.
reference?
The blue dot, there's job available. You can click and then it will go to
Oh, okay, okay.
yeah.
So it's like a
But
LinkedIn.
because we are not in US, so they actually tie up with one particular HR web portal, which is available there, where it's like our Singapore, the career SG career kind of thing lah. You click and then it goes there, and then they have some your so-called your what in US what they call the social security number. You key in, then they pop, then they populate the job for you. So it
okay.
bypassed the HR consultant already. Everything fully private, hopefully. Then it gets you the job directly because US is so big alone. Just US alone is so big. Okay, you could be one corner doing one thing that is high demand in another corner. You don't even know unless the consultant is very, very well spread. There's no way. Only AI can do it.
Yep.
Yeah, and it could be a job that's overseas. Like me, when I'm fortunate, I can get a job in China and in Thailand because I happen to look for it. There were jobs in Dubai and all this. I probably didn't know. Okay. Yeah.
Yep.
Then even I know the job, I may not know whether it fits. So there are a few what I call segment that you need to understand. I want the job. I'm suitable for the job or not? If I'm suitable, what am I supposed to do? So these are the things that this career dreamer is designed for. Okay. So even now it's on experimental. It's heavily used by the university in US now. I give you a suggestion. I mean, I've done some extensive study. So assuming all of you are going to graduate, there are 30 of you. Come into a webinar. The professors are all there. Some consultants are there, all into for a full day webinar using these tools to discover what they learn. And then at the end, they have a one-to-one session at the end. Maybe their company like IBM, maybe Google, all sitting down there looking at you. You understand what I mean? So it's like what they call job fair, but online with all these functions down there. Okay? Yeah?
Yep.
So thank you so much. Okay. All of you are in the chat group, so I no longer need you to give me the email. Is giving me a lot of headache because you're all very fanciful. Suddenly give me a 126.com, suddenly give me a google.com, suddenly give me some. Just give me one email, fill into the Google form, it will register. Okay. Then I can sort it out more effectively because I'm doing all by myself. Every time you change the email I cannot go back there because it's very, very massive work. Okay, I hope to have your understanding. Plus, later on, I want to give certification to all of you for attending. Okay, thank you so much. So if nothing else, you can key 000, and then please share into the school what you learned about this. Okay, thank you so much. Good night.
Thank you and good night.
Thank you, BK.
Good night.